Hey everyone, it's Dr. Shirazi from Gwinnett Pediatrics, and I know it's that wonderful time of year. The flowers are blooming, the weather is nice, we all want to be outside, but it also means it's pollen season. And so, even some of our patients who are not typical kids with allergies or people with allergies, we're seeing them suffering from all this pollen. And so I'm here to talk to you about things that we can do to avoid some of these horrible allergy symptoms. So it's definitely a great idea to go ahead and start doing your Zyrtec, your Claritin, your antihistamine. So these medications, go ahead and start them now before the pollen count gets even worse. These can build up in your system. It can help prevent some of the symptoms of allergies. So start those things now. And generic is just as good as the brand name. So you're fine getting the store brand of these medications too. The other thing is we want you outside. We want you enjoying the weather, but trying to keep a good idea of what the pollen count is. If it's really high, that might be a day that we stay inside or we do an activity indoors. When you're outside gardening, playing outside, try not to rub at your eyes. Coming inside, changing your clothes. For some of our severe kids with allergies, it might mean taking a bath or washing off some of that pollen that you're bringing back in with you. For our kids who have itchy, watery eyes, again, making sure you're not rubbing your eyes a lot when you're outside. And then also, there are over-the-counter allergy drops that you can try to help with some of those symptoms. Allergy season can also be a bad time for our asthmatics. So it's really important that our kids with asthma are staying up to date with their asthma action plan, that they're doing their daily inhaled corticosteroids if that's what's been prescribed. And if symptoms are starting to worsen, it may be time for us to check back in and see, does our asthma action plan need to be reevaluated? Do we need to take the treatment to the next level? So, our asthmatics, we want you outside, we want you enjoying the weather, and we don't want you suffering. So just kind of checking in with your doctor about that too. In general, we want you outside, we want you exercising, we want you enjoying this weather, and there are definitely some great ways to avoid suffering from all this horrible pollen.